Let's take a look at the TA180 transfer aid. It sits directly between a power stand aid and a patient turner. It promotes for the patient to stand by themselves and then to be safely seated to be transferred either from a chair to another room across thresholds. It's ideally suited for the acute sector environment or in the home environment. Let's take a look at some of the features and benefits. The TA180 has a 180 kg or 28 stone safe working load. Starting at the bottom, you will see there are 4 large multi-directional casters with 2 of them lockable at the back. Moving along, we'll come to the foot plate, which has 2 non-slip strips in there, and this is removable if it needs to be for gait training. Now, let's go to the leg operation. It's a manual leg operation and it's quite straightforward. You use one of your foot and on the pedal it says open, and the other side of the pedal it says close. Very safe to use. The reason we have this, it makes it easier for us to get closer to the end user if they're sitting on a chair or a commode, or to get access to the bed. Coming further up the product, you will see that we have this leg support. Soft material on the inside, so it actually supports the patient better. It's got a wipeable material on the front, so obviously because it's infection control friendly, and it always offers a maximum support overall. It has a large wide surface because people's legs can be different when they interact with this product. Now, working the way up the TA180, I'm going to show you the paddles now. First I'm going to do is just put the rear casters on so we have no movement. What we do here is, these paddles here are what the patient would sit on, and again they're reasonably soft, but also they're wipeable as well. So when someone comes to stand, the first thing we do, we rotate the paddle out of the patient's way. And if you imagine, if you will, the patient will then come to a stand. And then because it actually follows the curvature of the patient, you can easily slide it under and get underneath, and then the patient can sit back down. At this point, you can either ask the patient to hold on to this crossbar here. Alternatively, if the patient cannot grab hold of that or is struggling, there are 2 hooks here where we can fit a strap that goes around the back to keep them secure. At this stage, the patient now is ready to be transferred.